Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I'll tell you how you can use Instagram to do a search, because Instagram works as a search engine these days. And how it works, that people use this platform to search for ideas where to go on holiday, to see how the hotel, how the place looks like from the pictures posted by people who actually went there. And obviously they reviewed maybe the restaurants, the rooms, the views, the attractions they went to. They review the shops, they review the obviously the recent purchases. They can review the businesses as well, so if you're looking for a service. So this is a new way of how people do the search. So I definitely do recommend, if you're not using Instagram, definitely use it to do the search as a consumer, but as a business owner, you can utilize it to your advantage, to ask people to actually review it, to include your business name, for example, your Instagram profile in their posts. You can hold a contest asking people to talk about your brand. If you are a physical or online shop, you can also ask people to post a picture with one of the products that they bought from you, obviously mentioning you in the post. And this is definitely the way how people prefer doing the search these days, because it is more authentic. It is obviously part of the UGC, which is user generated content. And why people love it, because those kind of things cannot be cannot be manipulated. If there's an ad, Instagram influencers have to include a hashtag ad or sponsored post, so you know that obviously they are being paid to talk about this brand. But if it's done by authentic people who travel regularly, who just do the shopping, and you search for it, and you find their post in your feed, that's definitely a great way to get more knowledge on the brand, to get more knowledge on the place, and so on. I do recommend utilizing Instagram as part of your strategy, and take into consideration that more and more people in various ages right now use Instagram to do the search. So if you like this tip, please make sure to click like under this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO, e-commerce and marketing news, and I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.